Very good morning, dear students. So today, before we start the actual class, let us first take a pledge during this pandemic era of the corona COVID-19. So first we take the pledge to prevent the COVID-19 and to obey the some preventive measures. So students, today we will take this pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk of myself and my colleagues and students from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Students, today we continue with the chapter number 18, area and perimeters. And today we will take the topic area of a circle. So area of a circle, as we already know that area means the region enclosed between a boundary. Suppose we are having a boundary like in the shape of circle. So here is a circle. So the region enclosed between this in this circular boundary is called area of the circle. And area of the circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. So we can say that area of circle is given by, when the radius of circle is r, it is pi r square units. The unit of area is always square unit. Why it is square unit? Because here we multiply two lengths, r square. R square means r into r. R into r, it means we are multiplying two lengths. So whatever the unit of r, suppose it is centimeter, then we are multiplying 2 centimeters. Centimeter into centimeter. So it is square unit or unit squares. Unit squares. So this is area of a circle. So let us have a look on the activity which illustrate how we can calculate the area of a circle. So for this, let us draw a circle. Let us draw a circle on this plain sheet of paper. Suppose this is the circle. Let the radius of this circle is r unit. Now we will do one activity which illustrates how the area of a circle is pi r square. So for this, draw a diameter, then again one diameter which is mutually perpendicular to this, and then further divide it into different parts. Here we are having 4 parts, these are called quadrant. So now we will divide the circle into 8 equal parts. 8 equal parts means we divide or bisect this quadrant and then further this quadrant. The portion between two radius is called the sector of a circle. So here in total we are having 8 sectors, and we assume that these all sectors are of same angle, this angle. So here we are having 8 sectors. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 4 I color with blue, and the other 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These other 4 with red color. Now what we will do? We will cut this. We will cut these sectors and arrange in this way. The first sector, let we consider, we take first blue sector and place it like this. This is the first sector. The cutout we take and arrange in this way. Then the second, the red one, the R portion downward. One blue, one red. To 8 we can arrange. In the same way, the second, the third and the fourth. Now the third sector of blue color, then fourth sector of red color, then fifth sector of blue color, then red, then blue, and then red. So there are 4 red sectors that we obtained from the original circle by cutting these sectors, and 4 are blue in color. Now we know that the whole circumference of circle, if its radius is r, is equal to 2 pi r. So when we cut the circle into 8 sectors and 4 we place this way and 4 this way. So it means on this side we take pi r length and here we take r. So as we increase the number of sectors, then the r portion goes to decrease, and ultimately it can be considered as a straight line. So means when we make more sectors, suppose we cut the circle, you can see here, if we cut the circle in 32 sectors and arrange accordingly, then the r parts goes on decreasing, and ultimately when we increase the number more, then ultimately it will take the shape of a rectangle, in which one side is of length pi r unit, this side, and this side will be of length r unit. So in this way we will obtain one rectangle, and we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth, L into B, and L is pi r and r is B. So pi r into r, when we multiply r 2 times, it is r squares. So in this way we obtain the formula for area of a circle. So area of a circle with radius r is equal to pi r square. So we will use this result in solving the problems based on area of circle. So area of circle with radius r is given by pi r square units, or we can write it as unit square. Now we take few problems from exercise 18.5. Now the first question is, in the first question he said find the area of the circle having the following radii. So here various parts are given. We will consider first part. Here radius is given as 21 centimeter, and we need to calculate the area of the circle. So we know that area of circle is equal to pi r square if radius is r, and here r is equal to 21. So we can substitute the value of r 21. Now first we cancel it by 7, 7 3s are 21, and then multiply 22 and 21, 22 and 21, and then further with 3, the answer 20. When you multiply 22 with 21, you get answer 22. Then with 2 4, 4, and the total is 462, and further multiply it with 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 1 we will carry, 4 3s are 12, 12 in plus 1 is 13. So it means the area of circle is 138 centimeter square, or square centimeter. We can write the unit in terms of centimeter squares. So in this way, when radius is given, we can calculate the area of circle. Now we take the case of question number 2. In the question number 2, the statement is, he said, find the diameter of the circle having the following areas. So it means we are given with some areas and we have to find the diameter. So in the first part, the area given to be 5544 meter square. So for this, first we will assume that radius of circle is equal to r meter. So meter we took from here because the area is given in meter square, so we assume radius in terms of meter. Next, we know that area of circle is pi r square, and according to question, the area of circle is given to be 5544 meter square. It means these two values are equal. So pi r square is equal to 5544. Now substitute value of pi. Pi is 22 by 7. So it is 22 by 7 r square is equal to 5544. Now shift 22 by 7 to the right hand side. 22 by 7 is in the form of multiplication, so it will reciprocal in the right hand side and in terms of multiplication. So r square is 5544 into 7 over 22. So first cancel it with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 11. And here 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 2. Then what we can do, we can divide 2772 by 11. If it is divisible, then we can cancel. So we can see 11 2s are 22, then 57, 11 5s are 55, then 2, 11 2s are 22. So it means 2772 is exactly divisible by 11, so we can cancel. So 11 ones are 11, and after cancelling 2772 with 11, we get 252. Now r square comes out to be 252 into 7. So here it is square. So we need to calculate the r square. So we need to calculate r square. For this we factorize 2552 in this way. First with 2, then again with 2, then 3, then 3, and then 7. And when we cut the square from here, the right hand side will come in terms of square root. And in order to calculate square root, we will pair up the things in the form of 2 2. So 2 2 together, 2 3 together, 2 7 together. And after taking square root, 1 2, 1 3 and 1 7 remains. So r is equal to 2 into 3 into 7, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 7 42. So r is 42, but here we have to calculate diameter. So diameter of circle is twice of radius, so it is 2r, 2 into 42. So diameter comes out to be 84 meter. So in this way we can calculate the diameter. Sometimes we are given with area and they said find the circumference of the circle. So same thing, first we calculate the radius r, and then by using the formula of circumference we can find the circumference. Or sometimes circumference is given, they said find the area of circle, then we proceed in the same way. Then using the formula of circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and by equating it to the given circumference we can calculate radius, and then by applying the formula of area pi r square we can calculate the area. So in this way we can, from circumference to area we can calculate, and from area to circumference we can calculate in either way. And next there is the concept of concentric circle. If we keep the center same and draw different circles, so these are called concentric circles. So circles having different centers, they are called concentric circles. And the portion between two concentric circles, this portion, this is called ring. The portion between two concentric circles is called ring. So here is the new concept. First is concentric circles. Two circles having same center are called concentric circle, and the portion between these two circles is called ring. And we can find the area of ring also. Suppose the radius of the inner circle, called internal radius, is smaller, and radius of the outer circle, that is external radius, is capital R. Then area of ring. The concept is, first we calculate the area of outer circle. It comes out to be pi into capital R square. Then area of the smaller circle, it comes out to be pi r square. So if we subtract the area of smaller circle from the area of the bigger circle, we obtain this, that is area of ring, the red shaded portion we can obtain, and we can take pi common. So it can be written as pi into r square minus r square. So therefore area of ring, where external radius is capital R and internal radius is r, is given by pi into r square minus r square. And this distance, this one is called the width. This is the width of the ring, and it is obtained by capital R minus small r, or it can be written as d. So d means width of the ring. So this is the width of the ring, and it is given by capital R minus small r. Let us consider one case of question number 10th to understand the area of the ring. Here the statement is a circular mirror of radius 21 cm is surrounded by a circular frame of width 3.5 cm, and we have to find the cost of making the frame at the rate of rupees 1.50 per centimeter square. So the mirror is in this form. This is the mirror and this is the frame. The shaded is the frame, and the width of frame is 3.5 centimeter. It is given as radius of mirror as 21 cm and width of frame is 3.5 cm. So it means the outer radius, that is small r plus d. If we name this as r, it is 21 plus 3.5, that is 24.5 cm. So here first we calculate this area, that will be the area of frame. So here we can use the formula of area of ring. So area of frame, that is in the shape of ring, so its area is pi into r square minus r square. Now substitute the values of capital R and small r. So it is 24.5 square minus 21 square. We know one identity, a square minus b square, and that is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Here a is 24.5 and b is 21. So it is 22 by 7 into 24.5 minus 21, 24.5 plus 21. Simplify, 24.5 minus 21 is 3.5 and 24.5 plus 21 is 45.5. Now cancel. First cancel it on 5. 5 2s are 10. First we cancel it on 7. 7 1s are 7 and 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Then 2 11s are 22. Then multiply 4 5 5 with 11. So it is 5005. So area of frame is 5005 by 10. Now cost of making 1 centimeter square of frame is rupees 1.50. So by multiplying this cost with the total area of the frame, we get the cost of making frame. So cost of making frame is equal to area of frame into cost of 1 centimeter. So it is 5005 over 10 into 1.50. So we multiply 5005 with 15, it comes out to be 75075, and here the decimal is, so we put decimal here, we ignore 0, so we put decimal up by leaving one place of decimal, and further over 10, so it is 750.75. so it means the cost of making frame is 750.75 rupees. So in the same way you can solve the other problems of exercise 18.5. And thank you very much students of class 7 for watching this EV, and hope with the help of this EV you can solve the exercise 18.5 completely. Thank you very much.